Hi guys, so this is my Amber Rose Lashes order. You would have seen it in the last video. I'm going to go through each item one by one, starting with this pair of lashes. So I got these for free. Thank you so much for adding these to my order. Really appreciate it. So I'm going to get them out and give everyone a good look at them. They remind me of those individual lashes that you can get, you know, like you add them yourself to add a little bit of definition. It looks like that but strip lash version. So I'm going to enjoy wearing them. And I'll be back soon with videos of my other lashes that I got in the order.